Hey guys, so this is Honda Civic 2022 touring. We are doing some audio replacement today. We'll be putting subwoofer, amp, and we'll take you through this journey and tell you how we do it. Stay connected. So we took out the battery, as you can see, and this is the place from where we are trying to put the power cable inside the hood. Let's see what happened. So we made a hole in this rubber tubing. So these wires are going inside the car compartment. So we just made a hole with this scissor and we'll put the power cable through this. Let's see. So we're trying to put the power cable inside the car compartment through this rubber, and we'll make a bigger hole so that it can easily go inside. We have put the duct tape on this wire just to help pulling this power cable. As you can see, it's quite thick as my thumb. Yeah. So as you can see, we are able to pull this wire from the rubber hood, the rubber cap. See, now we'll pull this cable through. So we're putting the thermal insulation on the power cable so that it doesn't get heated up because of the engine. Okay. So we're putting the fuse now. We have cut the wire, and now we're putting, what is this?
Wire fair.
Wire fair.
So thick wire.
Yeah. What's the thickness?
It's a 0 gauge wire and it's almost like 11 mm in diameter, like a little more than a centimeter.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Okay. So guys, we are done with the subwoofer install in 2022 Civic. So I'll explain you. So this is the power cable that we ran from the rubber tubing that I showed you in the first part. This is the fuse, and this is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and I'll show you what we did inside. So guys, this is what it looks from inside. So this is the rubber tubing from where we ran the power cable. This goes from all the way inside under these panels, side panels, and we also ran two other small wires. One is for this base knob, and the second one is for the remote power. And all of these two wires are connected with they are together with the power cable, and they are going from these side panels and from under these side panels. We removed this seat yesterday to make it easier for us to find all the spots. So from underneath these side panels, we finally managed to bring this positive power cable here, and this is the distributor, because we have to use the capacitor. So one of the positive wire went to the capacitor, and other one is for the amplifier. As you can see, it is behind the amplifier, and there are two negative wires running here. one from capacitor. We have grounded it with the bolt that is with this seat. So underneath here we have connected the positive terminal to ground the cable, and the second negative wire has been grounded here. So we just removed this cover, and there's a lock hole which we sanded, and we put the ground wire here. So we took the input from the company factory subwoofer, and we ran the input wire underneath this carpet all the way from under this cover, and this is connected to LOC, which is low output converter, and from here output is going to amplifier, which is the input for amplifier. So guys, as you can see, from amplifier the output wire is going from underneath the cover, and it is going from here to my subwoofer, and it will be connected here. Now I'll ask my friend to connect this. Now we'll play some sample music, and I'll show you how it sounds like.